this is Keith at Fields BMW of Daytona Beach. Today I want to show you some of the features of our cars that have Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay has to be turned on when you connect your phone through Bluetooth. One of the options it's going to ask you is if you want to use Apple CarPlay on your phone. Obviously it has to be Apple phone. You'll see your regular screen here on your iDrive, but you'll have this added option down bottom here for Apple CarPlay. So once you activate that, you'll see approved apps that can work with Apple CarPlay. Right now, the only ones I have on here are Pandora, your phone, music, maps. Your messages are available through Apple CarPlay. That's one of the best features of the option. You can get your messages sent to the car, and it will read the messages to you. And when you want to respond, it'll let you dictate the message back to the person and send it. When you want to go back to the regular BMW menu, it's right here on the screen. So hitting that brings you right back to the regular iDrive settings, and you can use your car's normal iDrive that way. But when you want to use CarPlay, it's right in the bottom corner here. There is a list of approved apps that you can get, which is available on the BMW website. I believe it's also on the Apple website. It'll show you what apps you can download to have active on there. There's quite a few music apps, and I actually saw a baseball app on there from one of my customers. But Apple CarPlay, it's a great option if you're an Apple fan. Ask us about it here at Fields. Any one of the geniuses can show you how it works. And that's about it, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.